Today, we received an iPad 10th generation from Olney, Illinois, which is not turning on. The customer sent us this note, which states,
"This iPad came in with a broken digitizer. After replacing the digitizer, I cannot get it to turn on. Please diagnose and advise. Thank you."
The first thing I'm going to do, since the tablet is already disassembled, is to disconnect the screen. Next, we'll inspect it under the microscope. Upon opening the tablet, I noticed that the screen connector was somewhat loose. This immediately raised suspicion, as the pins appeared to be slightly bent. I then took it under the microscope for a closer examination. Under the microscope, I discovered that the pins were loose, indicating that someone tried to connect it, but didn't do it properly, breaking the screen pins. We don't know if this is the main issue, but we need to fix this first before proceeding with further repairs. As you can see, the pins are loose. To repair this tablet, I will count the number of pins. The connector has a total of 21 pins on each side. I'll look for another screen connector from another device. It doesn't need to be from the same tablet, it just needs to have the same number of pins. I found a broken screen from another repair, and it looks similar. We'll place it under the microscope and count the pins. It also has 21 pins on each side, indicating compatibility. Now, we set our preheater to 250 degrees. Once it's hot, I'll place the damaged screen's flex cable on the preheater, pressing down with tweezers. As soon as the solder melts, I lift the connector, and now it's free. We'll repeat this process with the good screen, being very careful not to damage the screen or its cable. We place it on the preheater and remove the broken connector. Then, we take the good connector, apply flux to the cable of the screen we are repairing, align the connector, and place it back on the preheater. As the solder melts, it will reattach the connector. We then go over all the pins with the soldering iron to make sure they are properly connected. Finally, we clean the connector with alcohol to remove the residue from the flux, and then we reconnect the screen and check if the issue is resolved or if there are other problems that need repair. As you can see, the tablet is now powering on. The repair was just the screen connector, and it has been a success. Thank you for watching.